How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the bass from Sensu's track Rain. Here's a preview of the bass we're going to be going over this video. Great, let's get straight into it and I'll show you how it's made from scratch. Great, so go into your Ableton project, set the BPM to 138. Let's right click, insert a new MIDI track. You then want to highlight it for 2 bars and insert a MIDI clip. Great, so once we've got our scale and our BPM sorted, we want to start with a root note. So you want to come down here to F#2. You're going to drag that along for 2 bars. It's going to sound like this. We then want the second note to be the E. And then at the end of the E, we want to create this little pitch up. So we're just chopping off this end and then pitching up an octave. So that's E and then going up to the E. We then want it to repeat back to the F sharp. And instead of going down to the E, for this note, we go up to the A and then do the same at the end, cut that a little bit off and then add that E pitched up. So overall, it's going to sound like this. So it's also worth noting at the start to track this section. The bass is also a different bass, but the notes are just the F sharp and the E and the E. So it's just this being repeated to the first half. And then obviously in the drop, we add this extra note here, which is the A. Cool. So let's show you now how to make this bad boy from scratch in Serum. Just to let you know, if your sound design skills aren't that great, you can actually download this preset from my Speed Garage Volume 3 Serum preset pack. This pack has over 70 presets, just like this one. It's got tons of sick basses, Reese's, donks, literally everything you need to make an insane Speed Garage like the pros. Definitely check that out. The link for that is in the description. Great, so what we're gonna do is click menu, initiate the preset. So this sets Serum back to a sort of default settings. Turn on oscillator B and C and pitch down B by 2 octaves. And oscillator C, you just wanna put up by 7 semitones. It's gonna create an almost chord, sounds like this. We're gonna turn this filter on, click A, B, and C, and put it to an MG low 18. We can bring this back a little bit. It's gonna sound like this. We then want to create the sort of warping effect using this LFO. So you drag that on like this, put it to about 16%, doesn't really matter too much. And here you want to change it to triplet grid and put it to quarter note triplet. It's gonna sound like this. Bring up that drive. We also want to sculpt this so it's a little bit smoother. So just bring that up like that, and maybe add a little bit like this, bit of a curve. We then want to make it really fat. So we go to the effects and we add a hyper dimension. We're going to bring this mix down to about 8%, something like that. It's going to sound like this. Then bring this mix up. And as you can hear, it sounds a bit weird, but you've got to bring this size all the way down. It's going to sound like this. Of course, you can make it fatter, you can play around with the filter, play around the curve. Yeah, these are sort of things you can play around with. So obviously the shape of this filter cut off. Or of course, maybe less of this, but I like it with it. I think about 60s is the sweet spot. Great, so this is what your finished bass is going to sound like. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video and I will see you next week for another banger. Cheers.